Did you know Dr. Dre became a billionaire without ever winning a Grammy for Album of the Year? He grew up in Compton, California, where money was tight and the future felt uncertain. But Dre had something most people around him didn't. He could hear opportunity before anyone else could see it. He started with beats, raw, heavy, West Coast beats that changed what hip-hop sounded like. But while the world was focused on the music, Dre was studying something else: ownership, power, equity. He co-founded Death Row Records, then launched Aftermath Entertainment, signed Eminem, brought Kendrick Lamar to the world. Each move was calculated, not just creative. Then in 2008, he and Jimmy Iovine created Beats Electronics, a pair of headphones that became a cultural symbol. Apple bought the company in 2014 for $3 billion. $3 billion. From a kid on Compton streets to a seat at Apple's table. Dre never just made music. He built something that would last long after the last record stopped playing.